Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Windows settings so you can control system sound. First, make sure Outlook is closed or note you'll restart it later. This avoids cached settings. Once settings is open, go to System and select Sound, then click App Volume and Device Preferences. You need to see Outlook in that list for per app control. If Outlook isn't listed yet, open Outlook briefly and repeat to populate the app list. This step lets you route and identify the app's audio target. Now you'll change the actual notification audio using the classic sound control. Open Control Panel, choose Hardware and Sound, then Sound. On the Sounds tab, scroll Program Events to find New Mail Notification or Mail Beep depending on your Outlook version. Click Browse, pick a short, WAV file you prefer, and press Test to preview it. Once it sounds right, click Apply and OK. Make sure your chosen file is accessible and under 30 seconds for reliable playback in Windows and Outlook. Finish by restarting Outlook so the new sound takes effect. While Outlook restarts, open File, Options, Mail, and confirm message arrival has Play a Sound enabled. If you don't hear anything, check Windows Focus Assist and the volume mixer to ensure Outlook and system sounds aren't muted. Also verify the WAV file format and path. If it's on removable media, move it to your user folder. If problems persist, reboot Windows and retest. This clears audio service glitches and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.